episode. This week we're heading to the Riverland. So when you come into the Riverland, it is a no fruit and some vegetable area. Oops. Oh, I'm just getting rid of some cut up carrot as well while I'm here. Oh, and there's a dead roo. That's a massive kangaroo dead right there. Jesus. So we've just scoffed down all our bananas and I'm just finishing off my apple. So here's our bin. Oh. There we go. So they have made some changes recently that you can't provide receipts. There was a rule about providing receipts from selected fruit and veg stores around before you enter the Riverland area. But yeah, I'm just going to finish my apple that we picked a couple of weeks ago and make our way to the Cadell Ferry. So last night when you were crossing the quarantine area, so we juiced all of our lemons and froze them into ice cubes, and we cut up a couple of bananas and some apples as well. So make sure you come prepared so there's limited waste. Finishing up at Waikerie, there's a dump point and potable free water. We're just having some lunch and then we're going to head off to our camp. How good is this free camp? So we've just gone here and then there's your water. We even got a bit of firewood, which is great because we did not come very prepared, but it's okay. We're going to head back in town. Hold a bend. There we go. We're at Hold a Bend. So we're going to do some fishing and some yabbing and see what we can find. Yeah?
I saw one baby duck all alone.
Yeah.
Leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you.
Me.
Oh, hold on. Hazel's going to do the first one.
Okay.
Yeah, come on, Hazel. Pull it in. That's it. Pull.
Another basket. We catch the fish. We got the fish. We catch the fish.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, fishing.
Oh, my God.
I got no idea what type of fish these are.
I think that's the carp, isn't it? What are you doing, Hazel?
I'm making music.
You are making music. You're going to show everyone what you're doing before? And what does that do?
Fire.
Fire. Ready? Bye! We're just at the nature play area in Waikerie. Looks like it's nearly done. So obviously they repaired it all or just built it all from the floods, I'm not sure. There is another like traditional playground just next to the toilet block as well. And then you've got the oval and there's a little playground over there as well. You ready to go again?
Yeah.
Alright, told you you'd like it. They always whinge. And then yeah, they always whinge about doing these things, and then after they've done it once, they won't do it again and again and again. Hey?
Yes.
Yeah.
No.
Oh, look where it goes.
Look, going down the river, Hazel.
Yeah, what's that do, Hazel? Push it. Stand on it.
Yeah. There's more points over here.
They only leaves. You're underwood student.
Oh, makes me busy.
Gotta get climbing.
at the moment, because quite a few of the free camps are, you know, recovering from flood damage, directly across from the silos is a makeshift temporary free camp, obviously self-contained, and it's directly across from Nippy's farm. Oh, we finished at Nippy, so we've got fresh juice, and Miles went into the Waikerie bakery, and we've got pies and sausage rolls and treats.
Pizza pie.
Pizza pie.
Mm. That's it, nice and high, Ev. That's better.
Yes.
Not that high, you can go down a bit lower.
There.
Remember, Hazel, you got to spin it.
So the weather has just absolutely killed our battery system. It's just been overcast non-stop, and we've got to turn the inverter off after breakfast. So yeah, we were just burning the solar we were bringing in, unfortunately. But Miles, of course, would never miss State of Origin. He's just in the shower quickly. So we have plugged in he's plugged into his portable power pack. So for once it's actually being used, because we don't have a fridge in the canopy anymore. Miles sold it and it's just been sitting there, so finally found a use for it. That's it for Holders Bend. What an awesome spot. So it's right on the water. You can stay here for 7 days in a 21-day period. No facilities, but just in town's like a 5-minute drive, and they've got fresh portable water, a dump point, and bins provided. So no reason why you can't just stay here for a few nights. So perfect. Again, thanks very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to see more content, and I don't know where we're off to next, but we'll see you next time.